Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. Time for your weather outlook on the 4th of January 2016. It's being recorded around 2 a.m. So taking a look on the day on Monday, what we're going to see is lake effect areas being some snowfall, and that gets pushed even into the areas of West Virginia where you may have up to 2 inches in the Beckley area, right east of those slopes of the Appalachian Mountains. Going to get nice snow there, some off of New York, obviously, and some off of the area out towards Grand Rapids. So there's some areas that we're looking at. By this weekend, we're actually looking at something interesting. We have this low pressure system, which maybe looks rain, but you're getting some spotty, it looks like wintry precipitation trying to show up here along the Blue Ridge and Appalachians. We have to watch that. That may be something interesting that we will have to deal with this weekend, especially as it moves north. By the day on Saturday, with some heavier snow possibly inland New York and parts of Massachusetts, and some ice around that. So, like I said, it could get rather interesting rather quickly coming up this weekend. So, what do we get coming up here towards the 13th? So 10th to the 20th is going to be pretty interesting. We may actually be starting to see some precipitation and snowfall. And here's a reasoning for it. You can see we get this cold air, the 540 lines pushed way south. You get the low pressure along the coastline. Obviously, this is one model like the other day. It's one model. But it's starting to show a consensus of a low pressure system of cold air. And that can be a good thing, very good thing for the East Coast. Especially when we look towards the, let's see, that's the 17th. Anytime we're going to have snow along the coastline and a low pressure system, I would say we're going to have snow probably inland. So this whole area in red towards the 17th, if this model trend continues, would be in the threat area for the snowfall coming. That would be a snow event because 540 lines going to South Carolina. Cold air is already there, as it shows on the European, and you can see it shows in the and the heights here coming into with the model here. That 540 line got way south in the upper levels, so that's definitely a good sign if you want snow. We're starting to see the signs we need, so stick with us. It looks like we're starting to get into the winter weather. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros. Thanks for watching.